Well, right ahead of the premiere of the movie Pushpa 2, fans of Allu Arjun had gathered outside the theatre in Vijayawada to celebrate the much-awaited release of the movie. They were seen bursting crackers in excitement. They created festive-like atmosphere outside the cinema hall. Look what transpired outside the theatre when there was unprecedented crowd that were witnessed when it comes to the release of the movie. Now, after the fans of actor Allu Arjun thronged at Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad ahead of the premiere of the movie, police had to resort to mild lathi charge to control the crowd. With few hours left for the movie's official release, the excitement had been at an all-time high amongst the fans of Allu Arjun. Take a look at this report that came in from the theatre in Hyderabad.
Pushpa 2, The Rule, has hit the theatres, thousands of theatres, and already Telangana government, Andhra Pradesh government has given permission to hike the tickets from 150, 200 to 800, and in Andhra Pradesh from 200 to 1,000 rupees. So almost, I know the prices have been hiked. Thousands of fans have arrived here at the Sandhya Theatre. Already Allu Arjun is here inside the movie. He is, watching the movie. He is watching the first ever screening across India, and fans across India have gathered at several theatres to have a glance at the movie and also here to have a glance at Allu Arjun. So, from where did you come?
We people came from Yusufguda. We people kept more money to watch movie. But
how much did you pay for each ticket?
We offered 600 rupees per ticket.
Okay.
We didn't watch till now. Most of the people are dying to watch cinema. 2 members are already died. Injured. 2 people are already injured. We wanted that they don't have their health condition, but their children and one parent injured.
Already injured. Everyone super cinema, bab.
So Allu Arjun is here. Allu Arjun is inside. Are you waiting to watch him?
Yeah.
Anyone is here, but no one should die.
Basically, in huge number, crowd arrived here at the theatre, and mainly they have also purchased tickets starting from 400, 600. We can clearly see here chaos-like situation, footwear, papers. We can clearly see here how crowd is cheering here for Allu Arjun. They are waiting. We are waiting for him, and we are waiting to watch the next show.
Now, as far as the release of the movie is concerned, it had turned tragic at the theatre because one among 3 have now been declared dead in a stampede-like situation that unfolded at the Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad, where after unprecedented crowd gathered to catch a glimpse of the actor and protagonist Allu Arjun. Well, 2 others, including a child, are said to be in a stable condition. However, he is going treatment at a private hospital, and here's what happened as far as it was unprecedented crowd that was seen at the theatre.
Fans in huge number hit the theatres, and in thousands of screens Pushpa 2 has been released, the Pushpa 2, The Rule. And we can clearly see chaos-like situation. Police lathi charging on the fans, and even Allu Arjun has arrived. Even, just now, while we are reporting here, 3 youngsters, they fell ill, they fell unconscious, and even, CPR was performed by the police and shifted to the hospital. So even we can clearly see, like Vijay has shown, several slippers. Thousands arrived here at the theatre, and we can clearly see their chaos-like situation. Police is resorting to the lathi charge just to control the crowd. And here, basically, to see this movie, thousands have arrived here at the Sandhya Theatre, and fans of Allu Arjun from across the states, from Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, they have arrived here to have a glance at the movie, and Allu Arjun has also arrived here. And even if we see one side police is trying to control the chaos-like situation. On the other side, we can clearly see outside hundreds of fans gathered outside where police are not allowing them to come.
Well, Somit is joining us live right now. Somit, of course, the fans were there, excitement was there. Allu Arjun himself was there, but when it comes to preparation on the ground to control the crowd, however, wasn't there.
After the Pushpa, the blockbuster, after nearly 3 years, the Pushpa 2, The Rule has hit the theatres, thousands of theatres across the India, making one of the biggest starter movie. And yesterday, at this very spot, at this very theatre, thousands thronged in, and even Allu Arjun, Rashmika Mandanna, they have arrived here to greet the fans and also have a glance at the movie. But at that time, thousands were waiting at the theatre, thousands of fans were waiting at the theatre. We can clearly see here, even gates were broken, police were there, even now police are there. So police in huge number were deployed, so we can clearly see here. Even now police are at bandobast, and even at the gates we can clearly see police are not allowing anyone to come inside the theatre, because yesterday almost hundreds and thousands they thronged into the theatre after Allu Arjun has arrived, which led to the chaos-like situation, almost stampede-like situation, resulting in 3 falling unconscious inside the theatre, including a woman and a 7-year-old kid. However, they were immediately, rescued from the inside of the theatre, and the police here performed the CPR, and then they were shifted to the local hospital. And finally, one of the women among 3 she has succumbed and she was declared dead. However, her son, 7-year-old son, she's undergoing treatment at the hospital. So even now we can see fans are waiting outside, and now the premiere is going on inside. And we can say that Pushpa 2 is one of the costliest movies which was released recently, because because Telangana government and the Andhra government, they have given to hike the prices, and this film is among the most expensive film in Indian cinema, with because the ticket price have seen a significant increase, with rates reaching to 1800 in Delhi, 1600 in Mumbai, and 1000 in Bangalore, 1000 in Andhra Pradesh, like 900 change in Andhra Pradesh, and 800 rupees in Telangana. In Hyderabad itself, for the premiere shows and for the first day today morning show, almost fans have purchased tickets pricing from 400 to 800 in the Hyderabad theatres.
So and fans they're going crazy of Allu Arjun, and to catch a glimpse of the superstar himself. However, at least in Hyderabad's Sandhya Theatre, this tragedy that has been reported, but owing to the situation, and of course when it comes to one of the biggest screening and the opening that has now been seen of the movie has already become a hit even before its release. Thank you very much, Somit, for joining us with those details. In the meantime, let's